fix the world and make it right. When darkness finally meets the light.
When darkness finally meets the light is pretty much what's happening.
You think you can fix the world?
Everyone's gonna be like, this was such a good surprise.
I can't.
And now everyone finally sees you for what you really are.
And that's okay. That's okay.
Is gone.
Is it?
It is. So
Is
we
it?
can make a new
Make a
one.
new one. Make a new one. Get your girls. Where are your girls at? New song? New song?
Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted.
Listen. Just listen. Listen to what she's saying. I mean, she's been denying herself her whole entire life. Even the person who raised her was like, you can't, you have to hide this. Find her. Oh. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh. The song they couldn't write. Here it is. Oh, it's not gonna happen. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god, these people just got the show of the century. Like, they have no idea. We're survivors and we're gonna make this right. Gonna make this right. Yes. Oh. That, not hiding, not lies, anything. That is what's gonna save us. Oh man, I didn't think I was gonna cry during this. Shoot. Look at it. Come on, listen to those words and tell me that's not affecting you right now. Oh, they're all going out to, but he's listening. So all the other band members were like actual demons. Oh, are we having an effect? Oh.
Your voices.
Oh, that's not good. That's not good. That's not good. Oh, can't they? Come on, Ginu. Come on, Ginu. Come on, Ginu. Come on. Get up in there. You know you want to. Come on. Oh, your girls have got you, though. They've got you. Go get in there. Get in there. Don't let this be your story. You have a chance to change it. Come on. He's holding you back. He's holding you back.
Ginu, no.
I'm sorry.
Please don't die. Please don't die. Oh my god, he's gonna sacrifice himself. No! He's gonna sacrifice himself. He's gonna sacrifice himself.
I wanted to set you free.
She didn't want you to sacrifice yourself. Yeah, you did.
Forgive me. I
Oh! No, Ginu!
give it to you.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh man, that sucks that Ginu died. I'm sad about it, but here we go. We're fighting with him now. He's with us. He's with us. Oh man. Look at what's happening to everybody. They're all getting their... They're all... Are they all giving... Oh my god, they're all giving their energy. Oh my god, they're all giving their energy to help her. Even they're like, whoa. Yeah, no, it's not happening. Oh well. Too bad. Done with the abs. Sorry, abs. Sorry, abs. You had to go. Oh my God, they're all helping them. I love it. Oh, that's beautiful. I don't think I've ever cried and grooved at the same time, but here we go, guys. Oh. Oh my God. This was their song. This was their song. Not the diss track. This. Look at healing. Healing everywhere. I've been saying music will heal us for a long time. This just made it literal. Look at them. They're all, look at, they're so beautiful. How are we going to explain this to the fans? Like, wow. Oh, all over the world. All over the world. No, just, we always have the hunter shirt ready. Always have it underneath. Oh, Bobby, we love you too. There it is. Oh, Chinu. I'm so sad, but he's with us. He's with us. I'm so sad. I was hoping they get together. Oh.